Yo, what is going on, fam? So we're back again, and I'm going to be doing a multi-part series for a C5 Corvette buyer's guide, pretty much. And this is the first video. This is part one, and this is the different types of C5 Corvette body styles. There's only 3 different C5 Corvette body styles, and they are broken into the Targa, aka the coupe. That's the one with the removable roof panel, comes off, and it has a nice slick hatch with all the rear trunk space. And then you have your convertible, top comes down, and then you have your fixed roof coupe or your Z06. That is the fixed roof variant. It's the rarest of all C5 Corvette models. It was only made for 2 model years, 1999 through 2000. But the Z06 carried the torch from there, and that's where that body style comes from. So yeah, let's get into it. First thing we'll get into is the weight. So the Targa comes in at 3,245 pounds. Not that heavy. The convertible is 3,247 pounds, which, if you know, convertibles are usually a lot heavier. So this isn't heavy at all, to be honest with you. And the fixed roof coupe is the lightest of the 3 body styles, which comes in at 3,172 pounds. Obviously, there's going to be some variations to this, whether you have the automatic or the manual. These are general numbers for you to get an idea. But either way, no matter how they're configured, the way that I have them listed is the ones that's going to weigh more or less. You understand what I'm saying? So the drag coefficient. So what drag coefficient means is how slippery they are, how easily they cut through the air. The more slippery something is, the higher top speed it can achieve, the better gas mileage you'll get, etc., etc. Something to think about. So the coupe has a pretty low drag coefficient of 0.29. The convertible is 0.32, and the fixed roof coupe Z06 is 0.31. So people tend to make track cars out of the fixed roof coupe Z06 model, but in reality, the coupe is actually the more slippery car. So something to know there. So rigidity. So how stiff the chassis is, how much does it flex when you're pulling into your driveway and when you're hitting those potholes. So I think this is pretty self-explanatory, but I'll still go ahead and list them out. So the convertible is the least rigid of the 3. Then comes your coupe, because you have that removable Targa top. And then next is your fixed roof coupe Z06, which is the most rigid because you have that fixed roof, and then you also have the Corvettes. And you also have the convertibles, pretty much like roll bar that's built into there. They added that into the chassis too. That also made it more rigid. So quick thing for you right there. This was a super quick breakdown of the different body styles. I will be making more of these buyer's guides videos, just to point out the nuances and the differences between the different C5 model years, different engines, different gearboxes, blah, 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 blah. So yeah, this is the first of hopefully many to come. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you did, like, subscribe, I don't know, do all that stuff, right? Cool. But yeah, man, take it easy. I'm out.
Yeah.